chapel and we're gonna get married. Gee, I really love you and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel of love. Spring is here, the sky is blue. Whoa, birds all sing as if they knew. Today's a day we'll say I do, and we'll never be lonely anymore. Because we're going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Gee, I really love you and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel of love. Bells will ring, the sun will shine. Whoa, I'll be his and he'll be mine. We'll love until the end of time, and we'll never be lonely anymore. Because we're going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel.
I've known Grace and Conrad for about 10 years, and those 10 years are full of countless shared memories which reinforce that becoming friends with them was one of the best decisions I ever made. It's not every day you find friends this great, and it's an honor that I can play a role in a milestone as important as this one. Grace, it's no surprise, but you're absolutely beautiful today. And Conrad, it's great to see that all of my work of style education finally paid off.
Rivers and roads, rivers till I reach you.
Love you guys.
I also love you guys.
I know you'll be eternally happy. You'll have 62 years at least. Congratulations, Grace and Conrad.
I am very pleased to be here in one piece. Very pleased to see my granddaughter and our new husband. Hope they make the best life.
Grace and Conrad, we love you and we're so happy to see you together.
At the start of the pandemic, I set a goal for myself to start a journal. The idea was to write 3 things that I was grateful for each day. This goal turned out to be harder than anticipated. I was not the most consistent writer. Despite my inability to keep my goal, one thing that was consistent throughout all these entries was how grateful I am to have you in my life.
Our first overnight trip as a couple was a ski weekend for your birthday in February of 2018. As we were on the chairlift approaching the top of the mountain for our first run, we saw a young kid. As he flew under the lift, seemingly out of control, we heard him scream, "I'm so happy I could die!" Grace, that sense of pure, unbridled joy is exactly how I feel today. With you, I'm so happy I could die.
I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with you everywhere. I
The tender gesture of the two of you holding each other's hand is the nucleus for what I hope will be a meaningful life as you look out for each other's well-being. Thank you. Cheers.
My mom and I would sometimes joke that we're outnumbered by the lawyers. But Grace, you're part of the family now. You're one of us. We're no longer outnumbered.
And I feel super, super lucky to be celebrating with you and everyone that loves you tonight.